Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to convert any image into another format. Start by going to the link below or typing in Convertio in your browser. When done so, you should land on this page. On this website, you can also convert audio, videos, documents, and even archives, presentations, fonts, and ebooks. But for today's tutorial, I will just show you the image converter. The other types of converters are pretty similar though. Now for starters, just select any format of image. As you can see, this is an image with the JPEG format. Here you can select which format you want to change it to. Today, we will go with the JPG format. After converting for a while, you can download the image in the format you chose. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.